Okay, should you guys get into real estate? So if you are part-time, I'm not overly talking to you. Hopefully you are a full-time realtor, because everything I'm going to be telling you requires you to work every single day. So you might want to step back. If you are part-time, hopefully you can like put in almost full-time hours even if you're part-time. I know you guys are probably relying on that little job to pay for stuff, but I'll give you a little tip right now. Your commissions can pay for way more than a little side hustle job you have right now. So it takes a bit of risk, but you got to go for it and go all in on real estate rather than half-assing it and then wondering why you're not getting results. There's great books like The Power of Broke, which I'll probably get into in this course, where I was way behind the 8 ball my first couple months and I had to like grind myself out from negative dollars in a checking account from a line of credit and get a commission check and keep getting back, and now I'm ahead and everything's good now and I can reinvest in different properties. So is real estate for you? Hopefully you're at this full time. It's going to be really hard if you want to make your 100K in the first year if you're going to do it part-time, unless like you got all these leads from uncles and aunts. I'm talking to the people that have zero. So okay, if you're at zero, this course will still be successful for you. So all right, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.